Welcome to my channel. The Super Bowl is coming up and I have some great decoration ideas to get you ready for all those Super Bowl parties. Please make sure to give a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share with your friends. This video is just a few minutes long, so make sure you watch it all the way through. This is the very first video I recorded for my YouTube channel, so bear with me. The setup is a little bit different. And for the decorations, we had some green and white streamers. We also had green and white plastic tablecloths. We had green and white balloons. And we have some football cutouts. And then next what I did was I printed out some footballs and I also printed out some game cards. The links to these printouts are in the description below, and what I'm doing is making a table runner. So I just cut out the game cards and cut out the footballs, and then I'm going to set them up in the order that I like. I'll do like football, game card, football, game card, but you can choose any order that you like. And then I'm going to glue them together, and it makes a great table runner for free. And right here I had already put some of the football cutouts on either side of the TV, and I added the game day banners. Okay friends, so I cut a piece of the tablecloth off because it was really long, and I just put it on top of the white tablecloth that I had on the accent table. And here you have it, the final results for your Super Bowl Sunday decorations. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you haven't watched my other Super Bowl video, make sure you do that now and have a royal day.